Hello everyone, Yuri Matzo here, and today we're looking at the Honda Ridgeline, and I'm going to show you how to open up and close all your windows using just your Honda Keyfob. So first off, you're going to want to make sure your car is locked. Then you're going to press the unlock button twice, and on the second press you're going to press and hold it. And keep holding it until the windows are completely rolled down. So as you guys can see, all the windows are rolled down, as well as the sunroof is open, but the rear sliding window does not open with this feature. Now to roll up all the windows, you're going to take the key out of the fob, and then you're going to insert it, and then you're going to rotate it 2 times to the right and holding it on the second time. As you can see, all the windows are rolling up and the sunroof is closing as well. So now you guys know how to open and close all your windows using your key fob, and this is a great and convenient way to access your truck if you need to. Please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And here you guys can see what it looks like from inside the truck if you were to open it up. You can see that the windows open up really quickly, and so it's a fast way to get air into your vehicle. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.